Hello, hello, good morning everybody and happy Friday. Welcome to Kayla'S Korner. And I will wait to get started for you guys to pop on in. It's been a while since I've gone live. We've been very busy in the warehouse. I've been holding it down here. Yeah. Good morning, Diane. Oh, we got 11 people in here. Good morning. Say hello when you come in. Wow, I've missed you guys. It's been so long. How's everyone's day going? How's everyone's week been? I am feeling better, thank you. All right. So today, guys, we've got 4 of Jackie's picks, and then we've got one that I picked out this morning because I saw this sign and I was like, this is so cute, so I have to put something together for you guys. I'll show you guys that one last though. So first we'll start off with Jackie's stuff. I don't think there's names with these, so call it what you want to call it. So first we're gonna start off with this sign. So I'm gonna open up the box if I can. All right, so I guess we'll call this like the elf workshop thing, because there's not a name for this. So we've got our sign, it lights up. Batteries go inside here, and then you've got all the little these little holes here with the lights, and then there is a hook on the back as well. This sign is AS2026, and then for our accessories we've got this ball pick. It's got glitter on it and red and white swirls, I guess you would call that. This is XP102027. And we also have this spray, the red and white polka dot spray here. And this is MN023539. Yes, built-in lights. And then for our mesh, we've got this extra large wide foil stripe mesh. So there we go, nice little zoom in. This is RY851649. And then we've got 3 ribbons with us. So we've got this big one here, very cute for winter time. We've got the white fuzz on the border here. This is RN5160KK, size 2.5 inches. And then we've got our green flower embossed ribbon. See, look at that, I got that right. And this is 871-09-433. 1.5 by 50 yards. And then we've got our little peppermint ribbon here. And this one is RG1863W7. So that is for our little elf workshop. I'm putting it together so you guys get the visual. Okay. And then next up, we've got this Merry Christmas horse cardinal sign, 12-inch diameter, MD 1276, Product links will be in the description, right?
Yep.
Right. And then for that, we've got this very popular ribbon right now because I've been picking this over 100 times. This one here, it's very popular. And then there's also the smaller size as well. So this one is RGE 1652K2. This is also very perfect for winter time. If you want to do elves, if you want to do Santa Claus, if you want to do cardinals, because we still have the cardinals. Then we have this 2.5 inch ribbon with our poinsettias and the little berries. And this is 2.5 inch and it's RGE 188827. And then we've got our mesh. And this one is RY861306 Emerald Green Laser Mesh. And then for our accessory, we've got this leafy bush here. This is PF1649. See, you can cut them, you can leave it as it is. So that is going to be the Merry Christmas horse. All right, next we've gotta open up this box as well, so 1 second. Oh my goodness. I just broke the box. Okay. Oh, this is cute. I didn't even know we had this. It's a Let It Snow built-in light sign as well. The batteries go in here. And then we've got our hook. What batteries do these take? Do you know? Oh, okay, 2 AA batteries. That's what it takes. So that's cute. And then we've got our snowflake spray. Our glittery snowflake spray. This is XS966327. And then for our mesh, this is our mesh, the light blue, white stripes, and this is RE8903HJ. Oh, that's cute together. Then for our ribbon, we've got this big feathery ribbon. This is RN588527. And then we also have our little winter Christmas trees, or not Christmas trees, pine trees and snowflakes going across. And this is RGF1233H1. So, good morning, Lisa. So this is the Let It Snow. It's very cute, and you can add in our little snowflakes as well if you wanted to, that come in the pack of 12. Okay. Now lastly, we have our peppermint sign. I feel like I gotta talk like really loud. So this is, I think this is 12-inch diameter. We have our little hook here. This is MD060031. And then for our mesh, we've got this extra large wide foil with white striped mesh here. It is very gorgeous blues, that other kit, the Let It Snow one. They all mesh really well together. This mesh is RY851449. And then we've got these, what is the material? Like a foiled balls, I think. This is XS131092. And then for our ribbons, we have this 2.5-inch ribbon with our gingerbread, peppermint patties, snowflakes. So there's a very good close-up. And this is RGF 140633. Hi Deborah, good morning. And then this one, our peppermint ribbon here. And this is RGF 14268R. So, I'm going to show everything. Bam. And then I'm... Okay, so those were all of Jackie's picks. So everyone thank Jackie for picking those out for you guys. And then I'm going to show you mine. Here we go. Alright. I don't have a name for this one either. We'll just call it Mr. Snowman or something. I picked 2 different signs, so you can always use whatever. So first off, this really cute snowman. Look at that. I found him this morning.
It's like a gingerbread cookie.
Yeah, like the that one sign, the big cookies and watch Christmas movies. They match. These match together really nicely. So the snowman is MD1494C2. And then because you guys liked the 8-inch diameter of this sign so much, we've got it in a 12-inch diameter. So this is the Let It Snow snowman, and he is AP0123. So those are the 2 signs. And then for everything I picked out, we're keeping it up with the snowflake theme here. So once again, the snowflake spray that I showed you guys with Jackie's pick, here it is again. But then I also added in this one. I just like how cute and dainty this looks. It's so pretty. So this one is XS112027. And then I added, like I was saying previously, these snowflakes that come in a 12-pack. This is XJ416630. And then, because I needed to get some color in there, I got this spray. And this is XS6177HA. So, here are our sprays. And then our snowflakes. Now, for our mesh, I picked this one out, but we've got a lot of great mesh that can go with both of these signs. But this is the one I wanted to pick out. I don't know. Here, let me show you guys. I just feel like that looks really nice together. Here. And this one as well. So this is the check fabric mesh, and it's RY8317D6. And I picked out a bunch of ribbon because I can never decide on just 2 ribbon. I can't help myself. All right, what goes together the best? So our green snowman here, like our white snowman with the green scarf and the polka dots, and you can add it with our polka dot green ribbon. This is RG01651006, and then for our 2.5-inch ribbon to add on to that, you could do the green, red, and white swirls here. And this one is RGF 132358. Or you could also do this snowman ribbon with polka dots on it. And this one is RGB 1290F5. Now there's not any product links for these ones because I rushed to do this in the morning. So sorry guys. But I'll try to speak very slow so you can catch on to what I am saying. Now we have this 2.5 inch ribbon as well. And this one is RGA 83802K. And you could put it with, or like this snowman ribbon. See? And then isn't that cute? I think that's cute. So this ribbon is, I already read that one. Snowman ribbon is RGF 138327. And then lastly, for the last two ribbons I picked out, I did this red and white polka dot. Thank you, Deborah. Oh, thank you, Lori, for adding them. Yay. Okay, so Lori's adding them to the list. So this one, the polka dot one, RG0 165124. And then lastly, we've got this red and black diagonal check ribbon, 2.5 inch. And this is RGB 105124. So, let me just one more time show you guys my vision. So this could go with that. I like doing a variety of ribbons so that you guys have choices to mix and match. This can go with this, or you can throw it with this. And then you can use this sign and put that together. Or you can do these polka dots. And yeah. So that is everything on today's live. Just threw that ribbon. Let me check out your guys' comments. I need a shopping trip too. I feel that. All right. Well, you guys take care this weekend. I hope everyone had a really good Halloween. If you celebrate that. Wait, do you guys, is Halloween different in the States? Like, States? All right. I'll see you guys next Friday. Goodbye. Have a great weekend.